Greetings Diecast Racing fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for Box of Joy number 7. And this one is a little bit special. This one has come from America, hence why we've got the United States Postal Service's priority mail. And it has come from Frank Kline at Red Pill Racing. Before we get into the main part of the video and give it away, which, you know, probably from the thumbnail you'll have some idea what's inside here and why I'm so excited about it. But before we get into that, don't forget to do the usual things: like, comment and subscribe. Right, I did put one of my Sharky's Garage things on top because I wanted to hide the address details of everything that was on the top of the box. Because, yeah. So, this has come from Frank Kline at Red Pill Racing, and I'm really excited about it. There's quite a few cars in here, but they all have a theme, and I undid one. So that's a metal on metal on Real Riders. So yes, they are all Shelby Cobra 427s. That's what the whole of this unboxing is about. And when he offered me these, I've only taken the ones that I haven't got, or I haven't got carded ones of. He has got some others, and since that point in time there has been another one that has turned up that he's got to one side for me. So let's get down to it. First off, I want to say everything has been very well packaged, and what he's done is taken some tape and taped everything up. So we're going to start with the carded. I haven't got this colour, and it's the Concept. It's a Matchbox, so I decided to pick that one up in the deal. So yeah, that's the new one. Now, some of these I've only got loose. This one, for instance, I've got a loose one of these. I haven't got a carded one. So there we go. The Roaring Rod series with the fishing net and the bright yellow. Let's put that over there at the back. There's two on the floor here I'll come to at the end. Let's put that over there. I haven't got a long card version of this one. I've got a short card, I think. It's a relatively new one. What year is this? I don't know. It's one of the recent ones. It's not the latest one that I'm still looking for, with the blue and Zamac. It's the orange and Zamac. It's the 2020 version. So there we go. I'm going to try and stand these ones around the back. Okay, now these are some very old, or these are older ones. I'm going to start off with probably the oldest one, which has got somebody was selling it for $5 at one point. So collector number 31 is on the 3 spokes. I think this is the one that Hikari drove in the competition. Sorry, 2025 Classic Cobra. What year is this? I don't know. I've got one of those that sits on top of my shop at the raceway. Yeah, we'll take that $5 sticker off at some point. Now, you know what I'm like with the blues. This is the Race Team Series 4. Car 3 of 4. I think I've got a loose one of these. I don't have a carded one. But there are a number of these that I don't have at all. Which may include... No, I've got a loose one of these. This is... So I've got the Spectra Flame Blue, I've got the Antifreeze, which is what Cuboid has been driving in the tournament. I'm going to slot this video in. I was going to put another red versus blue in at the end of the competition. These arrived. I wanted to get them unboxed, so I thought I would get around to that. I'm just going to alter the camera angle, bear with me. Camera was getting lower and lower. So this is the silver one. I've got one of these loose. And then the 2 stars of the show. This one is missing its button. Oh no, or it might have dropped down. Because it is the white version of the California Custom. I've got the yellow one. I think, let's see if we can get it to drop back. There's a button in here which appears to either be missing or has dropped down behind that. How gorgeous is that? California Custom cars. They're the coolest cars from the coast. Collect them all. So there was a yellow one and there was a white one. Do not oil wheels and axles. Ordinary oils will harm them. So back to the old debate of whether you should use dry lube or wet lube. It looks like the button thing is there. I'm guessing that's that there. I don't know. I thought it was a plastic disc, but hey ho. Yeah, there's that one. And then this one. I did not pay $500 for this. Believe you me, I did not. So I need to release it from its case and then take the tape off. This is Real Riders. It's moving parts. The classic Cobra in blue with white. Ages 3 and over. 1983. Shelby Cobra. Often called the world's fastest street car, the Shelby Cobra is a legend in its own time. Carroll Shelby's 2-seater quickly became an auto icon for raw speed and power. Our model captures the style and charisma of Carroll Shelby's striking Serpent. So yeah, this is 1983 release. I'll put it back in here to keep it safe. Yes, it's got $500 on there. I did not pay that for it, I promise you. But yes, so that is all of the carded. Let's move on to the loose. Right, I've unwrapped most of these. They have been extremely well wrapped. Just showing you that. I'll undo this one and then we'll get into the rest of them. So that is blue and white with the opening bonnet, metal on metal, stunning. Like the carded one at the back there. This one I do not have any others of, I don't think. In this red the gold, so I think that's a new colour combo. I think this takes me to 48 in total with the new ones here, because I didn't have the white California Customs. I didn't have this one. I don't have this one. I don't have any of these. And I say any of those, you'll see why in a minute. I also don't have this one. So this is the French Toast Crunch one, metal on metal with 5 spokes. But not only do I have a loose one, I have an original one in its bag, which is awesome. So that's another one that I don't have. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I don't have. Now, speaking of these, I do have a loose one. You can see there, it's missing its windscreen. And I do have a better loose one of those. So one of those, that one will probably be up for swaps. You know, I've got the yellow California Customs. Well, I've got a loose one of those. And I've got another loose one of those. So that one will be up for swaps. Now, these he had 6 of, and they're all in various states of repair. That one's a massively bent axle, but since I hadn't seen them or got them, I grabbed all 6. I will see which the best roller is and which the best looking is. Which may be one of these two, although the paint on them is slightly different colour, which could be just due to light. But yeah, whichever the best roller is and whichever the best paint job is, one will be kept for the paint side of things, one will be kept for the racing side of things. So we've just got 2 more to go, and they came in very special packaging. One is the Micro Machines Hot Wheels Cobra. I'd never seen one of these, but that is, see if we can see the but then there was also, in these really cool packages, a full scale one of these, which I hadn't seen, in the black, opening hood, opening bonnet, metal on metal, on the original black walls. So yeah. Right folks, that's it for today. So we've got 6, 7 new ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new ones. We've got a load of carded ones where I only had loose. Obviously some of these are up for swaps. One of these is up for swaps. One of those is up for swaps. If you've got them, if you've got Cobras and want to swap them, contact me through the Sharky's Garage Facebook page, and we can see what you've got and what we can swap. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you all again next week.